Hello everybody, it's Archie here, and today we're gonna install on my Bluebee. We're gonna install the Dynamat license plate. So this looks like this. So it was a add-on when I bought a subwoofer, and this was suggested to buy that your license plate doesn't rattle. So I'm gonna make a quick video. I'm gonna make a quick video with the loud music on and see how it rattles, and then I'm gonna install it and then see how it's gonna reduce the rattle noise. So now I turn on the music, so we'll see how it's gonna be rattling. It's hard to say if it's just the car rattling and the license plate, but we're gonna install it and then see. So the first step, we're gonna remove this 4 bolts right here. It's gonna be the first step. So after the license plate being removed, now we have to clean the back side of it. Maybe just clean right here too. And here's this license plate, cool and quiet. So we're just gonna try and see if it fits this holes, same as my car, and looks like it does. So that is good. So here's little instructions how to do it. So basically you have to first clean the license plate on the back. I think this is just the Dynamat in general products. Yeah, the main instructions for the license plate are right here. So basically first is remove the license plate from the vehicle, remove any dirt. Then apply adhesive strips at the back side of the Dynamat license plate frame. Okay, the frame gonna be sticking, and then attach license plate and install vehicle and replace all foam mounting holes. Okay, so I spray some cleaner here. Now we're gonna clean it up with a paper towel, everything. Okay, so now we clean the license plate, and we clean behind the license plate on the body of the car. Here's nice and clean. Here's my license plate, nice and clean. There we go. So now we're gonna apply some Dynamat on it. So here's a piece of Dynamat that it came in with. So we're just gonna firmly apply on the back of the license plate. Okay, so I applied firmly Dynamat to back of my license plate. So the next step is, here's came with like strips, and we have to attach those strips on the back of the license plate. So it came with like a 4 thin strips. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna put one here, one here, one here, one here, and then see how it is. Yeah, so peeling those strips was a little pain in the ass because it was like little tiny little strips, and it's really hard to peel them because they just like rip together. So I did it. So here's like the strips. Just like a little softeners, I guess. So they're gonna like a little bumpers that doesn't rattle, I guess, the license plate. So we'll see. Move on to the next step. Okay, so the last step is just to mount the license plate and a license plate frame on the vehicle. Put the 4 bolts in, and then see how it's gonna turn out. Okay, so installation completed. Dynamat cool and quiet. Fits nicely. Just a little play here on the sides. Then we're gonna do the sound test. So I mean, it makes noise because the body makes noise, but license plate is quiet. There's gonna be a bass moment. It's hard to say. The sub is right there, makes noise right here, but at least the license plate is quiet. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and this was the installation of the license plate, Dynamat license plate on my Bluebee